Hi Glambies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing the products that I bought in my first Dollar Tree haul. If you haven't seen that, I will place the link down below and also a place card right above me. So just click on any of those to watch my first Dollar Tree haul. Next, I will stop talking so that you could enjoy this ASMR. Here I am using a face wash by GlamGlow, and I put some product on the brush and I wet the brush, and as I was scrubbing myself, it hurts. I felt like it was scratching my face, to be honest. So I tried applying more product on my hand and then trying it again. I guess I was waiting for it to foam up, but maybe it doesn't, so that didn't work. And I know what you're thinking. This girl's a hot mess. Girl, I agree. But look how dirty that brush was. But not only that, I think I did a really bad job at trying to wash my face, or I don't know if the brush did, because it hurt. I didn't really try that hard, and the towel wasn't very clean. Next is the charcoal face mask, and I am struggling to open it up. Okay, this looks super creepy. I know, kind of freaked out my kids a little bit. Yeah, so after 15 minutes, why was I gonna say seconds? You remove the mask, and it says to just rub in the excess product into your skin. And to be quite honest, I feel like my skin actually looked a little more supple, maybe more youthful. Am I crazy? Anyway, next, I'm using the Jade Roller. Yeah, I like this product. Do recommend for $1. Like, hello, you can't go wrong. Too bad I can't find it anymore. Okay, so check this part out, guys. My whole intention was to record this video, as you could see on the little screen there. And lo and behold, yes, I bought an empty box. Like, who steals Dollar Tree items? Like, pay for it. $1, guys. Okay, so I'm using the LA Colors black eyeliner, and dude, this I recommend as well. This was cool. It was easy to use and easy to fill in. This part is sped up a little bit, so it looks a little effortless, maybe not, I don't know. But yeah, it was easy to use. I didn't end up using lashes this day. I wasn't going anywhere. Not that I need an excuse, but I mean, I liked it. It worked out. It's just mascara and the eyeliner. Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more, like this video, and I'll see you in the next